It's Tuesday 7th January, and the markets closed on a positive note today. The Sensex and Nifty ended the day with notable gains, driven by strength in key sectors like oil and gas and realty. However, some pressure remained on the IT stocks, which ended in the red. The Nifty ended up 91 points at 23,707, while the Sensex gained 234 points to close at 78,199. Market breadth was positive, with 2,622 stocks advancing and 1,361 declining. Except for IT, all sectoral indices finished in the green, led by gains of 0.5 to 1% in oil and gas, realty, energy, and pharma stocks. ONGC, SBI Life Insurance, HDFC Life, Tata Motors, and Adani Enterprises led the gains, lending strength to the indices. On the other hand, Trent, HCL Tech, TCS, Eicher Motors, and Tech Mahindra were the top losers, capping broader market momentum. The rupee gained 0.1% to close at 85.71 to 5 per US dollar, its best single-day rise in over a month, as a weaker dollar and foreign bank dollar sales boosted sentiment. The dollar index dropped 0.3% to 107.9, while Asian currencies strengthened on hopes of softer trade tariffs under US President Trump. Quadrant Future Tech Limited's IPO was fully subscribed within minutes and closed with 15.84 times the subscription. Retail investors led the demand, subscribing 54.72 times, followed by non-institutional investors at 21.49 times. Qualified institutional buyers subscribed 5%. The strong response highlights investor confidence. MobiKwik reported a net loss of 3.5 crore rupees for Q2 2024, a reversal from the 5.2 crore rupees profit posted in the same quarter last year. However, the company's revenue showed a strong 43% year-on-year growth, signaling robust business activity. The loss narrowed compared to the 6.6 crore rupees loss in the previous quarter. The broader market showcased a strong performance today, with the Nifty Midcap 100 gaining 0.89% and the Small Cap 100 surging by 1.35%. This robust growth highlights a renewed focus on mid and small cap stocks, signaling healthy market participation. Gold prices are up 0.50%, trading at $2,649, driven by a weaker US dollar. Uncertainty around Trump's tariff policies and his denial of reports suggesting less aggressive tariffs have added to market caution. China's continued gold purchases support gold prices amid strong central bank demand. Traders are awaiting US economic data this week. BMW Group India has announced its highest-ever car sales in 2024, hitting a milestone of 15,721 units, marking an 11% increase from the previous year. Of the total, the BMW brand accounted for 15,012 units, while Mini contributed 709 units. Larsen & Toubro's power transmission and distribution arm secured new orders worth 2,500 rupee to 5,000 crore rupees in India and the Middle East. In India, L&T will implement an advanced distribution management system in West Bengal, while in Saudi Arabia, it will build a 380 kV substation to support solar power evacuation. China's central bank continued to build its gold reserves in December, adding to its holdings for the second month in a row. The reserves grew to 73.29 million troy ounces, up slightly from 72.96 million in November. However, the value of these reserves saw a decline, dropping to $191.34 billion from $193.43 billion. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.